Do you love planet Earth? Yes, I do too. It's our beautiful home, full of trees, animals, oceans, sunshine, and you and me. But today we are going to learn about something that's making our Earth a little sick. It's called climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change means the Earth is getting hotter than it should be. It means the whole world is changing. Sometimes it rains too much. Sometimes it doesn't rain at all. Some places get very hot, and others may have big storms and floods. But why is all this happening? To produce electricity, we use a lot of energy by burning things like coal, oil, or gas in power plants. All these create carbon dioxide, which makes the earth warmer and hotter. When we use too much electricity by leaving lights, fans, or TVs on when not needed, we will need to keep making more electricity. Making more electricity means burning more coal, oil, and gas. This means more pollution and more carbon dioxide. We dump or throw away too much rubbish: food, plastic, paper, or old stuff. And when these rubbish go to dumps, they release bad gases. When airplanes fly high, they use lots of fuel that pollutes the air. Also, when food is wasted or thrown away, it also creates gases that harm the planet. Then in big farms with animals like cows produce gas called methane that adds to climate change. Then there are plastic items everywhere: bottles, bags, toys, and packaging. Having these plastic items everywhere is badly affecting our earth because plastic items don't break down easily. They pollute the land and the oceans. They harm and kill animals like fish, birds, and turtles. And when plastic is burnt, it releases bad, harmful gases into the air, which can make the earth warmer. Then, cutting down trees is also affecting the earth. Trees help clean the air. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. The carbon dioxide that humans and animals breathe out is what trees breathe in. And the oxygen that trees breathe out is what humans and animals desperately need to survive. Too much carbon dioxide in the air affects the earth. So trees and plants constantly help us to take the carbon dioxide away by using it to produce their own food. So when we cut down many trees, the carbon dioxide in the air increases, and this is dangerous to our planet Earth. Now let's see what happens when the Earth gets too hot. First, ice melts at the north and the south poles, and this is bad for animals like polar bears and penguins. When ice melts, oceans rise because the water from the melting ice keeps pouring into the sea, causing seas, rivers, oceans to overflow, and the water is pushed into cities as a flood, destroying lands, houses, businesses, and killing people. Weather patterns are also becoming strange, unusual, and more difficult to predict. Some places get too much rain, and others get too little or none at all. And some places are becoming unbearably hotter. Or even a carelessly thrown cigarette can cause wildfires, destroying forests, farms, houses, businesses, and lives. As the earth gets hotter, causing forests and ice to disappear, many animals are losing their homes. The heat is also making more and more people get sick. It's making it difficult for farms to grow food with the too much rain or lack of rains. It is making many rivers and lakes to dry up and making it hard for people to get enough water to use. There are solutions to all these problems. 1. Use energy wisely. Turn off your lights, computers, and other electronics when you're not using them. Saving energy reduces pollution and helps the planet. 2. Instead of driving, choose to walk, ride a bike, or take a bus. This reduces greenhouse gases and helps to keep the air clean. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Avoid single-use plastic. Recycle paper, glass, and metal, and find ways to reuse items instead of throwing them away easily. 4. Eat more plant-based foods. Eating less meat and more fruit, vegetables, and plant-based foods can help reduce the environmental impact on farming. 5. Plant trees and create green spaces. Trees are superheroes for the earth. They absorb carbon dioxide and provide oxygen. Plant trees or create community gardens to help. 6. Spread awareness and educate others. Talk to your friends and your family members about climate change. Share facts with them. Share ideas and solutions so that more people understand how they can help. 7. Reduce water waste. Take short showers, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth, and fix leaks at home. Saving water helps conserve resources and energy. 8. Support sustainable brands and products. Buy from companies that use eco-friendly materials, produce less waste, and care about the environment. 9. Join environmental activism. Get involved in environmental clubs, attend local cleanups, or join campaigns that aim to protect nature and fight climate change. 10. Advocate for change. Write to government leaders or businesses, asking them to take action on climate change. Young people can help create big changes in policies and practices. Now, when we all do a little bit to help, it adds up to something big. Together we can protect our Earth. Let's save our planet. Let us become planet protectors and climate heroes. Thank you.